Let's jump straight to the topic. To import vocabulary from Google Sheets to Memrise, first you need to sign in to Memrise account and create a new course. Specify language which you will teach and the original language. In my case, it is German course for English speakers. In your course page, open Advanced Settings and check the order of the columns. If needed, change the order in the table as well. Then, copy all cells and paste it to the text field. Don't forget to save the changes before exit. If you want to make your vocabulary collecting easier, download LearnReader app and collect phrases with one click.